So hey, hello everyone, and thanks for clicking on my video. So I just rented a little motor scooter, so we're gonna take a quick ride around the Trang, and then I'm gonna come back and get ready and go out and shoot a little night video of the scenery. So please click like and subscribe. Back at the hotel to change into some long pants, change batteries on the camera. Home of the slowest elevators. Number 10, you are a winner. Alright, Drew, clean up your room, man. This place is a freaking mess. You should be ashamed of yourself. But you know what? I'm not, because I'm on vacation and I don't care. I don't have to clean anything. No more cleaning bars, no more cleaning house. It's just free for all. Let me change this battery out, get some long pants on. So we're gonna go out right now and shoot some last night in the Trang video. So come along and join me. We had some fried rice, chicken fried rice here last night, and it was pretty good. Better than some of the other places I've had food at. Coffee. Get yourself a good cup of joe. The Vietnamese grow their own coffee, so I'm sure it's good coffee. a foot massage. Alright, so we're in a little B-Mart. It's kind of like a Circle K. See what... Get yourself some Vietnamese vodka Hanoi, bottle of wine. Look at this. How about some skewered crocodile? Wow. Nice little get-togethers on the beach at night. Check out the Vietnamese singers on one of my other videos. I thought they were rather good. Alright, arrived at the sailing club. Come on in. Okay, thank you. Thank you. 200 dong cover charge. Oh, bummer, ran out of time for this video. So if you would like to see more of the Sailors Club and some great DJ work, come back and see my next video at the Sailors Club. And don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe and send this on to anybody you might know. Any comments to help me out would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.